Madame?
Thank you.
I love this time we get to spend.
Makes us different, I guess.
Madame?
Thank you.
I have seen my last
Josie.
Phil.
May I have this dance?
You may. Hey, did you leave the record player on?
No.
Phil? Phil? You left the door wide open.
I did?
Come on, you know I... Hello? Hello?
Is Tamara home?
Who is this?
You still don't know if... Is Tamara home?
Were you at my house earlier? Phil? Did you drop something? I thought you said you didn't want to watch the movie. You left the record player on again. Phil?
This is 911. What's your emergency?
My boyfriend, he's bleeding. He's not moving. I think he's dead.
Ma'am, I need you to calm down and tell me your address so I can send somebody out.
17555 Devonshire, on the corner of Devonshire and Balboa.
Okay, ma'am, but first, is Tamara home?
What?
If you can't answer the question, then how can I expect you to live through the night?
Put your eyes where I can see them.